In a world where artificial intelligence is evolving at lightning speed, we stand on the brink of a new era. AI agents are not just the future, but the now of multiple industries. These agents leverage advanced algorithms, machine learning, and data analysis to understand their environment and interact with users effectively. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles and customer service bots, AI agents are transforming industries by enhancing efficiency, improving user experiences, and driving innovation across various sectors. In 2023, we witnessed remarkable advancements in AI agents, driven by innovative frameworks like AutoGPT and Baby AGI. These frameworks enable developers to create sophisticated agents capable of performing intricate tasks independently. For instance, tools such as GPT Engineer and MetaGPT have emerged, streamlining the development of applications that leverage AI capabilities to enhance productivity and user experience. Moreover, the open-source community has introduced state-of-the-art models like CogAgent, which excels in visual language processing and outperforms existing models in various benchmarks. This year also saw significant investments from tech giants like Google and Microsoft into agentic functionalities, indicating a robust interest in deploying these systems across industries. But what exactly are AI agents? How are they different from chatbots? And most importantly, what industries are they revolutionizing? Stay tuned as we dive into the cutting-edge world of AI agents and uncover the trends shaping their rise globally. AI agents can be categorized into several types based on their capabilities and how they interact with their environment. Simple reflex agents. These agents operate on condition-action rules, responding directly to percepts without considering the history of percepts. Model-based reflex agents. These agents maintain an internal model of the world, allowing them to handle partially observable environments by keeping track of unseen aspects. Goal-based agents. These agents act to achieve specific goals, making decisions based on the desired outcomes. Utility-based agents. These agents aim to maximize a utility function, which measures the agent's happiness or satisfaction with its actions. Learning agents. These agents improve their performance over time by learning from their experiences. Multi-agent systems, MAS. These involve multiple agents that interact and collaborate to solve complex problems. Each type of agent has unique strengths, making them suitable for different applications. Which type interests you the most? Let's break it down to see why AI agents are about to change everything we know about artificial intelligence. What are AI agents? AI agents are advanced software systems that autonomously or semi-autonomously perform tasks by perceiving their environment through data inputs, processing it with algorithms, and acting based on their programming and learned experiences. They can be reactive, responding to stimuli without memory, or deliberative, using internal models to plan actions. AI agents versus artificial intelligence chatbots. At first glance, it might seem like AI chatbots and AI agents are similar. However, they serve very different roles. While chatbots are designed to mimic human conversation, often limited to simple tasks like answering questions or providing information, AI agents are dynamic problem solvers. They don't just respond, they act. AI agents are equipped to handle more sophisticated operations, such as managing systems, analyzing vast data sets, and making informed decisions autonomously. Unlike AI chatbots, which are typically designed for conversation or task-specific functions, AI agents go beyond, learning from past interactions to adapt to new environments and take proactive actions. This adaptability makes them valuable in applications ranging from customer service to autonomous vehicles, smart homes, and financial markets. How are AI agents used in business today? AI agents are increasingly integrated into business operations across various sectors to enhance efficiency and decision-making. In customer service, AI agents provide 24/7 support by handling inquiries and resolving issues without human intervention. In marketing, AI-driven analytics tools help businesses understand consumer behavior and tailor campaigns accordingly. Supply chain management benefits from predictive analytics powered by AI agents that forecast demand and optimize inventory levels. Additionally, financial institutions utilize AI for fraud detection by analyzing transaction patterns in real time. These applications demonstrate how AI agents can streamline processes, reduce costs, and improve overall business performance. Let's explore the latest developments in AI agents and analyze their impact on healthcare and finance, as well as their significance for the future. Mark Zuckerberg and Jensen Huang have articulated optimistic visions for the future of AI agents, emphasizing their potential to transform how individuals and businesses interact. At the recent SIGGRAPH conference, Zuckerberg outlined his ambition for a multitude of personalized AI agents tailored to individual users and businesses, rather than a single unified chatbot. He believes that this approach will empower users to create unique AI personalities that reflect their values and enhance customer engagement across platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp. Huang echoed this sentiment, labeling Zuckerberg's vision as a home run idea, highlighting the excitement around creator AI and its implications for small businesses. Both leaders see these developments as pivotal in making AI more accessible and beneficial, particularly for enhancing customer support and personal interactions. In addition to Meta, several other institutions are actively exploring the realm of AI agents. McKinsey's Quantum Black is at the forefront, focusing on developing agentic systems that can independently interact within dynamic environments. Their research emphasizes the potential of generative AI to enable systems that not only respond to commands, but also learn and adapt over time. Other notable players include Google, Microsoft, and emerging startups like Adept and Crew AI, which are investing in frameworks that facilitate the creation of multi-agent systems capable of executing complex tasks collaboratively. As these technologies evolve, they are expected to become as ubiquitous as chatbots today, reshaping various industries by enhancing operational efficiency and user experience. Let's zoom in on healthcare and finance, two industries undergoing significant transformation thanks to AI agents. In healthcare, AI agents are enhancing patient care by analyzing medical data, making preliminary diagnoses, and even monitoring patients remotely. Imagine an AI agent that can alert doctors of critical changes in a patient's condition in real time. In finance, AI agents are shaking up how investments are managed. They can analyze global market trends, manage portfolios, and even make trades autonomously. Financial institutions are also using AI agents for fraud detection and compliance management, ensuring that regulations are followed more effectively than ever before. AI agents are getting lots of attention for their futuristic potential. They are already hard at work today. Companies like Tesla are using AI agents for autonomous driving. Amazon and Google employ AI agents to manage massive data centers and optimize cloud infrastructure. Even in energy sectors, AI agents are playing a role in optimizing resource allocation and reducing waste. But it's not just tech giants jumping on this trend. AI agents are now more accessible to smaller businesses and individual developers thanks to open-source AI models in platforms like OpenAI and Google AI. These platforms allow companies of any size to customize AI agents to fit their unique business needs. As exciting as these advancements are, they raise serious questions on a global level. Many are asking, what will happen to jobs as AI agents become more capable? Could they be used to manipulate markets or influence political outcomes? And what about privacy? How do we ensure that AI agents don't overstep in their data usage? The rise of AI agents presents significant challenges that warrant careful consideration. As AI agents become more capable, many fear that they will replace human roles, particularly in sectors like customer service and data analysis. For instance, automated chatbots are already handling inquiries that once required human agents. The potential for AI to influence financial markets raises ethical concerns. Algorithms could be exploited to create unfair advantages. With AI agents collecting vast amounts of data, ensuring user privacy is critical. Companies must implement strict data governance policies to prevent misuse. Looking ahead, the future of AI agents is incredibly promising, but it's also uncertain. In the USA, there are active debates around regulating AI agents to ensure they are safe and ethical. Meanwhile, countries around the world are also looking at how to best integrate AI into their economies while protecting citizens' rights. In healthcare, we could soon see AI agents playing a role in developing personalized treatment plans. In finance, they may eventually manage entire portfolios without any human oversight. But as their capabilities expand, so do the ethical and regulatory challenges. On a global scale, countries like China and Germany are investing heavily in AI agent research, further fueling competition in AI development. The race to harness the full potential of AI agents is on, and the implications are both exciting and daunting. AI agents are transforming industries, enhancing everyday life, and raising big questions about the future of work, privacy, and ethics. While their benefits are undeniable, we need to be mindful of the challenges that come with such powerful technology. As we continue to explore the world of AI, one thing is clear: AI agents are here to stay, and they're only getting smarter. What we do with this technology will shape the future for generations to come. If you want to stay updated on the latest trends in AI and technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.